Today we're making extra crispy long fries that are crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and incredibly easy to make at home. If you love crispy potato snacks, easy comfort food, or homemade French fry recipes, you're going to love this one. Start by taking 2 large potatoes and boil them with their skins on. Once they're fully cooked and tender, peel off the skins and place the potatoes into a bowl. To make mashing easier, cut the potatoes into smaller pieces first, then smash them until smooth. Season the mashed potatoes with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add 7 tablespoons of corn flour and mix everything together thoroughly. Begin kneading the mixture until it forms a soft dough that is smooth and non-sticky. If the dough feels sticky, simply add another tablespoon or 2 of corn flour until it reaches the right consistency. Place the dough onto a lightly floured surface and cover the top with plastic wrap. Roll the dough out to about 1 cm thick. Remove the plastic wrap and cut the dough into thin, long strips to form your fries. Heat some oil in a shallow pan and carefully add the fries. Shallow fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy on all sides. While the fries cook, prepare a simple creaming dipping sauce. In a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of cream, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Stir well until smooth and creamy. Serve the hot crispy fries with the creamy dipping sauce for the perfect homemade snack. And there you have it, extra crispy long fries that are golden, crunchy, and perfect with a creamy homemade dipping sauce. If you enjoyed this easy potato snack recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple comfort food ideas, and let me know your favorite dipping sauce in the comments down below.